underscore that it is true I have been to Aden Duale's house countless times. And it is true what he said, that all the time whenever we are in his place, we are served tea and food. He only did not say that it's normally not done by him. It is done by this great lady, gracious lady. Thank you very much, Mama, for standing by my friend Aden Duale. I know you have been a pillar. You've always been there for us during the highs and the lows. And I am very happy that today you're here again to celebrate this moment with my friend. I know a very strong case has been made for us to do what we should do. But listening to, reading the book by Duale, and I haven't quite gone into detail about that book and what Kindiki is about to do and what Papa Aroma is about to do, I do not know what will be left of me to write. Because these people have cannibalized what my story, and it's now being in bits and pieces. But I will assess what is left of my story at an opportune moment, and then I will write the balance. Maybe it will not be on the record. Maybe this time it will be off the record, or something. But let me say the following. Aden Duale is a solid, trusted, and dependable friend and Kenyan. I have walked and worked with him for 16 years. In that 16 years, we've gone through every kind of political experience and situation imaginable. In ODM, in UDM, in Jubilee. Together we founded a political home in URP, in UDA, and finally in Kenya Kwanza. Bare is a trusted and trustworthy person and has no time and place for political betrayal, backstabbing, and the use and dump philosophy perfected by many. I don't want to say who. When I found out Duale was writing a book, I was not surprised. In the years I have known Aden Duale, candor has been his most consistent quality. But candor is not enough if one does not have a story to tell and a message to deliver. The value of this book is that it tells a complete story. Often most people have a version of events and therefore fail to grasp the full import of certain actions and words, especially those of men and women in public life and political office. Honorable Duale has provided unprecedented access to 2 decades worth of political action, conversation, and events. From the 2005 referendum to the enactment of the 2010 Constitution, from the debacle that was the ICC cases to the 2013 elections, the creation and the rise of Jubilee, then the fall of and destruction of Jubilee, and the eventual victory of the Hustler Nation. This book tells the story of the biggest political events of Kenya's recent history in great detail, flavored with the unreserved frankness of Aden Duale. But this is not just a book about politics and politicians. It's the story of a man and his life in public service, a story that is forged